So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Geleens, and you guys, thank you so much for helping me reach a 30k. I'm so excited for that. I'm so thankful for you guys. I thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, I couldn't have reached the 30k. Thank you so much, you guys. And as I promised you guys, I will be giving some things away. I will be giving my summer collection away. My summer collection that I had on my web shop. As you guys know, I don't have my web shop anymore, but I've put these colors aside for you guys. So I didn't touch them because I don't have any colors from my summer collection. I don't have any colors anymore, but these I had to put these colors aside so I could give you guys, one of you guys, so I can give one of you guys this summer collection. So the things that you have to do to get into the giveaway, really simple, or 2 simple steps. You'll go on my Instagram, just follow me. When you're done following me, you will come back to this video, you will comment in the description box below, you will comment done, and then you will just tell me why you would like to win this summer collection of mine. Done. That's the only 2 steps that you have to do. I'll put them also in the description box below what you have to do to win this giveaway. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much again for subscribing to my channel and for supporting me and for commenting. I love to read your guys' comments, so thank you so much. But okay, to this video. In this video, I am going to make a XL French neon colored nail. It's pretty simple. As you know, I have a couple of videos on my channel how to do a French set with the reverse method, but this color was just so bomb that I had to show it to you guys. So yeah, that's why I really want to share this video with you guys, so go ahead and watch this video. Okay, so as always, I've already prepped the nails and I've applied the tips and a thin layer of clear acrylic. And now I'm molding the nail bed. I'm using the pinky that was from our web shop, but as you know, we don't have our web shop anymore. It's currently unavailable. I'm molding and shaping the nail bed, and if you are familiar with the other videos on my channel, you know that I've done a couple of French on my channel with the reverse method. But I just loved this color so much that I thought that I have to share this with you guys. So I'm showing you how to perfect the nail bed. And as you know, if you follow me on my page, you know that I think that the shaping of the nail bed is key to get the perfect French, you guys. If you didn't see my other French videos with the reverse method, I will put the link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check those out too. But this is the first time that I'm making a video of a French nail that is longer than normal, because these nails were long. I love the length of these nails, so that's why I want to share this video with you guys, and I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails. this is how the nails look so far. And next I'm using this orange. I will put the link of this color in the description box below. I am applying it on the tip of the nail, and make sure you go all the way into the creases of the smile line so you get that perfect smile line. And you don't have to worry about applying it like a mess. Like you can see, I'm applying it, it's a hot mess. It looks a hot mess but you just have to trust the process. And as you know, if you have watched my other videos, if you have a perfect nail bed, a perfect formed nail bed, and a perfect smile line, when you're going to apply the color on the tip, it doesn't matter if it's messy, because you will file the excess color away. So don't worry about that. And after I've applied the color on the tip, I will just cover it with clear acrylic. So this is how the nails look after application. As you can see, it looks a mess, but now we are going to perfect that. We are going to make them bump by filing them and shaping the nails with my medium Crit bit. I will also put the link of my e-file and my bits in the description box below. if you're still here watching with me, I really want to thank y'all, babes. I really appreciate y'all, and thank you for being here with me, filing these long nails and making them perfect. If you're still here, let me know in the comments below by commenting a orange hearted emoji, so I know you are still here watching with me. I just love really to read your guys' comments. And yes, you guys, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have to reach the 30k. So thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed yet, don't hesitate and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's for free. It will take you only like a couple of seconds, and then you will be done. Yes, thank you so much. And as always, I'm using my tapered bit into the cuticle area. And now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. And you guys, excuse my own nails, they look a mess. On one hand I have nails, and on the other hand I don't have any nails. That's because I filmed the video of me using Polygel for the first time. If you didn't see that video, I'll also put that in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch that video. That video. And this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and shaping. And I don't know what happened to the footage where I am applying the gel top coat, but I've applied the gel top coat and cured them under my lamp for 2 minutes, and this is the final result. You guys, look how pretty, look how clean, look how crisp. This is a pretty set for the summer, for the spring. I just love it. Love it, guys. I will put a link of the top coat also in the description box below. So this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've learned something. I really hope you've liked this video. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead on the subscribe button. Show this girl some love. Yes, babe, you. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification bell on, so you're the first one to know when I post the next time. And you guys, I will see you in my next one. Oh, don't forget to get into the giveaway by just doing these 2 steps that I linked in the description box below. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.